So, hello guys. Meron ako sasabihin sa inyong combo dito sa TSP. Parang iba lang yung face ko kasi nga, di ba, nawala nga yung ano ko. My account. So, let's speak English right now. So, first, what did you do, Will? 1, 2, 3. Down. Another slam. Yeah. You can get 2 down slam. Look. Yeah. You can get 2 down slam and then hit. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Minsan, wait. Sometimes it can't happen. If you master it, will happen. Look. Yeah, and then after that, backward. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. This is the combo. Look. It's the full combo. Yeah, that's a full combo. I learned that in my cousin. 1, 2, 3. I get that. So, this you will step 1. See an opponent. Step 2. 1, 2, 3. And come closer a little bit. That's so that you need so fast. If you like, see. Wait. Now see. 1, 2, 3. I am closer. A little bit closer. If I'm using second, a little bit closer to him. Look. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So again, this is the full combo. What the?